Hello friends, I hope you all are fine. The weather is rather nice today, so I came outside of my home and we can see this is a building which is located behind me. This is our primary school and child starts their journey from here. So we are fortunate that we have a beautiful school where we sent our children to study here. And we can see this is a road which is full of students in the morning time with their bags. They come here to get education from. And now I'm going to show you a beautiful river which is next to the school. This is a beautiful river which is connected Mahananda and Ganga Nadi. So we water our field through this river. And now I'm going to show you an important place where we spend time when we get free. Then we come here and we sit here and we talk each other and we spend our time. We can see some boys are walking over the bridge and they are enjoying their lives. This is the beauty of village. So if you don't have any good environment, we can also create your own environment and we can practice in this way and we can learn English. So there is to make excuse. Please stop making excuse. Get in the habit of solving your problems in any critical situation. If you have 99% problem and one solution, that is called work hard. You will have to create your own opportunity. Most of the learner, they want to learn English, they want to improve their skills, but main thing is that they wait for the perfect time, they wait for the perfect opportunity, they wait for the perfect plan. While waiting, their dreams fade away. So there is no need to wait anything. Whenever you want to do anything, we will have to start at the time. When you start doing, then definitely things will be smooth and things will be easy for you. Because of the practice, the more you practice, the better you get. This is a fundamental things which is used to do anything. I mean, practice makes a man perfect. Without practicing, we can't learn English. And we can see a man, the man who is coming here, he is my dada, and he is going somewhere, he is going to meal. Okay, so this is the beauty of our village. So I would like to recommend you, I would like to request you, please start practicing. Because of when you if you don't start practicing, you will not be able to speak any single sentence apart from your introduction. This is the way of practicing. If you start practicing in this way, then nobody can stop you to learn English, nobody can stop you to make your fluency. So first thing, that most of the students they think deeply and they waste their time while thinking that definitely I will start from January, I will start from February. Perfect plan never be completed. So when you think, just start speaking. I come from village area, but still I'm learning English because of I have a strong determination to learn English. I have pure attention to learn English. So if you have a strong determination, if you have pure attention, then everybody will support you, and in this way we can learn English. Bro, if you are not successful person, then everybody will say you, who are you? But if you are successful person, then everybody will ask you, how are you? So just imagine, there is no more difference between who are you and how are you. But if you realize, and really we can get, there is huge difference between who are you and how are you. So try to focus on building your skill. Nobody is here who is if you don't get success, then nobody will respect you. So first try to start your journey from today and from now. If you want to learn deeply grammar and advanced structures, phrasal verbs, idioms, proverbs. I have started my channel SP English 123. Here I have taught many advanced structures and phrasal verbs, and even I started a course English speaking 0 to hero, where I have taught parts of speech, and I have started teaching from alphabet. So if you want to start your journey from zero, then we can visit my channel. And if you want to learn English in this way through daily blog, through real life sentences, then we can subscribe this channel. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next blog.